Experiencing scroll wheel issues with your JLab mouse? Let's start by pinpointing the problem and trying some quick fixes. First, determine if the issue is mechanical or software related. Common symptoms include the wheel not scrolling at all, scrolling erratically, or being jumpy. These can indicate either mechanical problems from debris or software configuration issues. Begin by physically inspecting the scroll wheel for any visible obstructions like dust or debris. Look closely at the wheel and surrounding areas for accumulation that could interfere with movement. A simple test is to blow compressed air around the scroll wheel to dislodge any loose particles. Turn the mouse upside down and use short bursts of air from several angles. This can often resolve minor debris issues without disassembly. Next, check your computer's settings. For Windows, navigate to Mouse Settings and verify that the scroll wheel is configured correctly. On Mac OS, check System Preferences, then Mouse. Ensure scroll acceleration and speed settings are appropriately configured. In Windows, open Settings, Devices, Mouse. Check the Roll the mouse wheel to scroll option and adjust the number of lines to scroll. This can resolve software-related scrolling issues. On Mac OS, go to System Preferences, Mouse. Adjust the scrolling speed slider and ensure Scroll Direction Natural is set appropriately for your preference. For wireless JLab mice, confirm the mouse is properly paired via Bluetooth. Check your system's Bluetooth settings and try removing and re-adding the device if connection issues persist. If using the JLab Companion app, check for any available firmware updates, especially for models like the JLab Go Air Pro, released in 2024, which received a Smart Scroll Reset feature in mid-2025. If these initial steps don't resolve the problem, proceed to cleaning and deeper troubleshooting. If the initial troubleshooting didn't resolve the scroll wheel issue, more advanced cleaning and resetting techniques are necessary. Begin by properly powering off and disconnecting your JLab mouse to ensure safety during the process. For wired JLab mice, unplug the USB cable from your computer. For wireless models, locate the power switch and turn it off. If your mouse uses batteries, remove them to completely disconnect power. This step ensures no electrical current interferes with the cleaning process and protects both you and the device. Now, use a can of compressed air to remove loose dust and debris. Hold the can upright and aim short bursts at the scroll wheel from multiple angles, top, bottom, and sides. This method is effective for removing lint that accumulates from carpets or desks, which is a common cause of scroll wheel jamming in JLab mice. Be careful not to shake the can or tilt it, as this can release moisture that might damage internal components. If compressed air doesn't remove all the buildup, proceed to chemical cleaning. Use a cotton swab lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. 99% concentration is ideal for electronics. Gently wipe around the scroll wheel, applying minimal pressure to avoid damaging the encoder or plastic parts. Avoid using solvents like acetone or window cleaner, as these can dissolve plastics or leave residues that attract more dust. This step addresses oil buildup from fingerprints or environmental contaminants that compressed air alone cannot remove. If you're comfortable with basic electronics repair and your mouse is out of warranty, you can disassemble it for deeper cleaning. For JLab Epic or Go Air models, use a small Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the casing together. Carefully separate the top and bottom halves, then gently clean the internal scroll wheel mechanism and encoder with compressed air and alcohol. Avoid touching circuit boards with bare hands to prevent static damage. Reassemble the mouse and test functionality. This step provides access to areas that external cleaning cannot reach, but it should only be attempted if you're experienced, as improper reassembly can cause further issues. After physical cleaning, perform a software reset. On Windows, open Device Manager by searching for it in the Start menu. Expand the Mice and Other Pointing Devices category. Locate your JLab mouse. It may appear as HID-compliant mouse or similar. Right-click it and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstallation. Restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the mouse drivers upon reboot. This clears any software glitches or corrupted settings that might cause scroll wheel issues, addressing problems that physical cleaning alone cannot fix. For macOS users, reset the Bluetooth connection. Open System Preferences and click Bluetooth. Locate your JLab mouse in the device list, click it, and select Remove or Forget. Turn Bluetooth off and on again by clicking the Bluetooth icon in the menu bar. Put your mouse into pairing mode, usually by turning it off and on, then click Connect next to it in the Bluetooth preferences. This fresh pairing can resolve connectivity issues that affect scroll wheel functionality, especially in wireless models. Now re-establish the connection. For wired mice, simply plug them back in. For wireless models, ensure they're in pairing mode. This usually involves turning them off and on or pressing a pairing button. Your computer should detect the mouse and guide you through the connection process. Once connected, test the scroll wheel by scrolling in a web browser or text document to verify that the cleaning and reset resolved the issue. For optimal performance, use the JLab companion app if your mouse model supports it. Download the app from the JLab website or App Store. Connect your mouse via Bluetooth or USB, then navigate to the calibration or settings section. Adjust the scroll wheel sensitivity to match your preferences and eliminate any erratic jumping that might occur after cleaning. The app's Smart Scroll Reset feature, introduced in recent firmware updates, can recalibrate the encoder without physical disassembly, providing a software solution for hardware-related issues. To prevent future scroll wheel issues, establish a maintenance routine. Clean your JLab mouse every 3 to 6 months, using the techniques we've covered. Always use a quality mouse pad to reduce friction and wear on the scroll wheel. Store your mouse in moderate temperature environments. Avoid extreme heat or cold, as these can warp plastic components. Regular maintenance extends the lifespan of your mouse and reduces the likelihood of recurring problems. If after following all these advanced techniques, the scroll wheel still doesn't work properly, contact JLab support. Visit their official website or use their companion app support section. Provide detailed information about your mouse model, the steps you've already tried, and any error messages. Their technical support team can offer model-specific advice or arrange for repair or replacement under warranty. Many users find that professional assistance resolves complex issues that DIY methods cannot address.